Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are ready to listen for our new discussion for today. We are on the second quarter and the second part of our pre-calculus subject, and that is of course in trigonometry. Okay, and our discussion for today is all about conversion of angle measurement. Okay, and our learning competency here is to be able to convert degree measure to radian measure and vice versa. Now, let us have the definition of an angle. An angle is said to be the amount of turn between two straight lines that have a common endpoint. This common endpoint now is called your vertex. As you notice here in our two diagrams, okay, this green side or this green segment here is called now your initial side. On the other hand, the other one, this red that is moving, is called now your terminal side. By the way, this angle measurement is used by a degree. Okay, on the other hand, this one, it is used by radian. Okay, now, when we say degree, it is said to be equal to 1 over 360 of one complete revolution of a circle. Meanwhile, your radian is said to be equal to the central angle of a circle which intercepts an arc whose length is equal to the radius of a circle. So these are the two angle measurements that are commonly used in trigonometry. And of course, we're going to deal with these degrees and radians. So again, conversion. Now, how are we going to convert an angle measurement? The first one here is the given all is degrees, and you are going to convert that in radians. So how are we going to do it? Multiply degrees by pi radian over 180 degrees. Again, by the given angle measurement that is in degree, you're going to multiply pi radian over 180. So let's have an example. What is the value in degree, in radian, should I say, when I have here 135 degrees? So all we need to do is to multiply 135 degrees times pi radian over 180 degrees. Okay, so 135 degrees times pi radian all over 180. And of course, we have a common unit of measurement, which is degree. So we're going to cancel that. And then of course, what is 135 over 180? What's the common? The common factor here is 45. So simply, we have here 3 pi over 4. So again, the value of 135 degrees in radian is 3 pi over 4 radian. Let's have another example. Okay, so what is the value of negative 270 degrees in radian? Okay, so kindly solve it also. Well, we are explaining here. Okay, so negative 270, multiply it by pi radian over 180 degrees. Now, after that, as we multiply, there is the common unit of measurement, which is your degree. So, I'm going to cancel that one. Okay, there you have it. And of course, what is the common factor of 270 and 180? So, they're common by 90. So, if we canceled out 90 in both your 270 and 180, the final answer there is negative 3 halves, or simply negative 3 pi over 2 radian. So again, the value of negative 270 degrees is negative 3 pi over 2 radian. So hope you have the same answer with me as I have discussed here. Okay, now let's proceed with another angle measurement. Okay, which is what? Radians to degrees. How are we going to convert that? Simply multiply radians by 180 degrees all over pi radian. So let's have an example here. We have here pi, a negative pi over 2 radian. What will be the value of that in degrees? So all we need to do is simply multiply the given radian, negative pi over 2, by 180 degrees all over pi radian. Okay, so as we multiply it, there you have. And of course, there is a common unit of measurement, which is pi radian. It is automatically be cancelled out. And then of course, what is 180 over 2? That is negative 90 degrees. Again, the value of negative pi over 2 radian in degrees is negative 90 degrees. Let's have another example. Okay, try to solve it also. We have here 9 pi over 2 radian. What will be the value of that in degrees? Okay, so all we need to do, guys, this given radian is to be multiplied by 180 over pi radian. Then of course, we simplify it further. What is the value of 9 multiplied to 180? We have 1620 degrees. Pi radian all over 2 pi radian. So if you notice here, we have a common unit of measurement is pi radian. We cancel that one. And then of course, what is 1620 over 2? There you have it. We have 810 degrees. So the value of 9 pi over 2 radian is equals to 810 degrees. So again, do not forget guys, as we sum up or generalize our discussion today, which is to convert degrees, okay, from degrees to radians, we are going to multiply pi radian all over 180 degrees. On the other hand, once the given unit of measurement is in radian, and you're going to convert that in degrees, multiply the given radians by 180 degrees all over pi radian. So, hope you have learned something today guys, and thank you for listening, and hoping you have learned something today. And again, see you on our next lesson guys.